will really be examining your status more. If they accept you, they do look the other way, and some of them have. The issue is you cannot get any scholarship assistance because that's the federal funding issue, and you would not be able to get any federal funding as someone who's undocumented. The other thing some schools may do is some may withhold your actual diploma if you're undocumented. So they'll allow you to graduate, but they will withhold the diploma.
That's ridiculous, too.
Well, I know, but
Because you basically
that's
paid
it.
for 4 years, you worked for 4 years, and you're left with the same thing as if you never went to school.
Right.
But you have the knowledge.
Yeah,
But the other paper doesn't count, so it doesn't matter. You know?
Right.
There's a lot of people who have a lot of skills. Like for example, there's a lot of different musicians and artists who move here and the skills are natural, but then there are no any document who can prove it besides the own work they do. So that's other problem that people found along the way. You know, you have all these skills, and even you have a portfolio, but you don't have a degree that you say you are a master on something.
well, but occasionally, again, as you know better than I, because you sort of deal with it more than I do, there are equivalency issues. If you can demonstrate that your experience and your talent in the home country is equivalent to the same, we'll say, level of talent in the United States, then you can get around the issue you're concerned about.
I'll just use a quick example, and then we'll move on and take questions at the end. We had at our firm, we had an actress that came into the United States.
Mm-hmm.
She applied for an H-1B visa, which is a work visa. And I don't know if you remember, but I said you need a bachelor's degree or an equivalent. She really didn't have that much experience. She was really mostly a waitress, but she had done, I think, maybe 1 or 2 years of of college, 1 or 2 years. And then she had a bunch of random experience in random classes in the U.S. But the first step we did was we sent to the equivalency center her resume and her, a transcript of all the stuff that she's done. And she was able to get an equivalency letter saying that she had an equivalent of a bachelor's degree in the performing arts. And she wound up working as an administrative assistant at a communication group, but they had this little tiny aspect of entertainment in that company. So really tiny. But we were somehow able to relate her experience, which was equivalent to a bachelor's degree in performing arts, to that tiny part in the entertainment group, in an entertainment company, and she was able to get an H-1B visa. So, what I would do is if you guys are looking for an attorney, you should really try to find an attorney that can think outside the box and help you kind of work towards your goal. Because a lot of attorneys will just say, all right, you clearly only had 2 years of school, you had a lot of waitress experience, I'm not even going to try for it. And that's really not the case. You want someone that can kind of just help you along at least. Okay. So, what's